Currently here in the entire state of Wisconsin, there are 3,341 active cases of the coronavirus. Now here in Wood County, there were 2 that were diagnosed, however, both have recovered fully, and there's a total of 13 currently in Marathon County. So we still have to be diligent about what we do. You know, one thing you might not know is that for a long time I coached youth sports, and I always enjoy coaching youth soccer and youth football. And what I would always tell the teams at the halftime, if we were up, don't stop now. Stay diligent. Stick to the game plan. It's so important. And that same advice that worked there works here now. We're halfway through this. We're showing a good dent, but now's not the time to let up. Now's the time that we stay diligent with the great social distancing that we know. If you do have to go out in public, be very careful. Stay at least 6 to 8 feet from people. Wash your hands a lot. They're saying 20 seconds with warm water and soap. If you're sick and you are an essential worker, please stay home. If you have any symptoms of such, please stay home. We can get through this together. And I know it's frustrating. Believe me, I know it's difficult. However, we're winning. So the key is to stick to the game plan. Stay at home. We are all safer at home. Now, for information on a lot going on, there are a lot of great members of the city are working very diligently on this. And if you go to our website, you'll see there's one area that you go to where we've got all the different resources from the clinic to Wood County Health System, the Marathon County Health System, the state site. The state site is the Wisconsin Department of Health and Human Services. They update their numbers every day at 2 o'clock. So you can see how many new tests there were, how many people have been hospitalized. Information is key, and if you go to our website here in the city and go to the page on the coronavirus, you'll be able to get all that information that you need. One of the links that you'll see there is to the Marshfield Community Hope Line. I'm going to encourage you, if you have questions, if you're feeling lonely, if you're feeling fearful, or if you just don't know and you need someone to talk to, call the Hope Line. They're very, very willing to help. And if they can't help you, they can get you to a resource that can. It's vitally, vitally important. And finally, we have some great resources here. If you're struggling with food, our great local United Way and St. Vincent outreach programs have done a phenomenal job. So if you're in a position where you do need food or any basic supplies, give the United Way a call or reach out over there to the St. Vincent de Paul program that they have there. We're doing everything possible that we can to make this transition that we're going through as simple as possible. But we know it's frustrating. Believe me, we do. But we're getting closer. So just stay diligent, and we'll get through this together, Marshfield. We're going to get through this.